This is Q. Let's just put this Q1 and some Q2 here. Now, the electric field at this point due to Q1, it's either going there or going dito, right? Now, let's take this as our vector. Okay? Well, atong i-generalize, let's take this as the position vector of Q1, and this is the position vector of, okay? Now, we have this vector, and we calculated this vector before. This vector is just R2 minus R1, right? That vector. There. So, tanawan na to. Sa ato pa, R2 minus R1 is directed on that direction. Because R2 minus R1 is directed from R1 to R2. Right? Okay? I mean, yeah, from R1 to R2. Now, asang electric field at point 2, asang directed ang electric field? The electric field is either directed padulong dito depending if this is positive or if it is negative, the electric field is going this way. Sa ato pa, the electric field vector at point 2, it's either going in the direction of R2 minus R1 or opposite of that, meaning it's the negative of R2 minus R1, a multiple of R2 minus R1. Okay? Now, of course, the electric field here, we call the electric force at this point, and we call this point F12. Let's read this as F1 on 2. The force exerted by charge 1 on charge 2. This is our notation. And this is equal to charge at that point times the electric field due to Q1, evaluated at the position of this charge here. So, meaning this is just, I'll just put K here as 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. So, this is now Q1, Q2 over, we know what this one is, diba? This is the magnitude of R2 minus R1 cubed times R2 minus R1, right? Now, let's analyze this one because wala pa takabalo asa directed ang electric field. But we know that it's either that both are positive or one is positive, the other is negative. Okay? But when one is positive and the other is negative, pwede nga kaniyang negative and kaniyang positive, or pwede po nga kaniyang negative kaniyang positive. Okay. Now let's analyze when both are of the same sign. Then if both are of the same sign, meaning that Q1 is Q2, regardless whether both are negative or both are positive. Di ba this is positive? Tama? Sabdan? This is positive. Okay? Q1, Q2. Because negative times negative is just positive. So sa ato pa, now of course we know that K over this is actually positive. It cannot be negative. So the only way that this whole thing can be negative is due to the product of Q1 and Q2. Now when both are of the same sign, negative, negative, you would get, what would you get? Positive, right? Whether positive, positive, or negative, negative. So that means that if this is positive, then the electric force, okay? The electric force at this point is directed in the direction of R2 minus R1. But this is the direction of R2 minus R1. This is R2 minus the direction of R2 minus R1, right? So meaning that the electric force will be directed here. Nakuha? In fact, okay, nasabdan ninyo? The electric force now will be directed there. So we can see here that Q2 will be experience a force such that it will move away from Q1. Nasabdan ninyo? Now, let's analyze now, let's calculate now the electric force experienced by Q1 due to Q2, and that would now be F21. The electric force experienced by charge Q1 due to the electric field that is produced by Q2. And we know that, again, this is Q1 times E2. Now, the electric field at E2, due to this one, is either po paana or paana. In fact, we know that this is just equal to, this is K, Q1, Q2 over, tanawa. Asa nga to ang mahimong vector, di ba? We need this vector, we want this vector, right? The vector from 2 to 1. And of course, that vector is just the negative of this. Right? So, that would now be the magnitude of R1 minus R2 cubed times the vector R1 minus R2. Here, makita na to clearly that this is the negative of this. So, we can have this conclusion. Therefore, okay? Therefore, actually, is murag tulo ka triangle, no? Therefore, ano na to? F12 is negative of F21. But F12, which is the magnitude of F12, is just equal to F21 when we're talking about their magnitudes. Nakuha? In vector form, F12 is negative of F21, but they will have this exactly the same magnitude. So, nasabtan? Now, tanaw na to. The same thing here, if this is F12, then asa ang F21? F21 is automatically on the opposite direction. Right? So, in this case, makita nato that whenever Q1 and Q2 are of the same sign, the force is repulsive. Okay? Mao ni ang conclusion nato. Force is repulsive if Q1 and Q2 are of the same sign. Now, how about of different sign? Now, tanaw na to. Of different sign, then we know that this is negative here. Tama? Ako, negative ni siya. Q1 and Q2. Q1 times Q2. So, karon, since R2 and R1 padulong dito, asa padulong ang force? On the opposite direction of R2 minus R1, which is padulong dire. That would now be our R1 minus, F1, 2. How about F21? Well, F21 on this case, asa directed ang R2 minus R1 minus R2? R1 minus R2 is directed there. But since this is negative, asa siya directed? Padulong dito. Right? So both are actually you can say that if you know this, you will know this direction, right? Opposite lang. And in this case, the force is attractive. That's why charge of the same sign repel, of opposite kind, they attract. Okay? So, muna siya dire. It's actually a vector, a conclusion based on the vector, the algebra of vectors here. Nasabtan? Nasabtan? Okay. So, yeah, that's the explanation basically. Now, it's easy to calculate the electric force. If you know the same lang gihapon, all you have to do is calculate the electric field first. You already know. We already calculated electric fields, right? Now, how to calculate the electric force at that point? If there is no charge at that point, then wala electric force. Nakuha? Now, how about if you put a charge there, then calculate first the electric field at that point. Because we know that. And then just multiply by the charge. And you get the electric force. Okay? So what's the unit of the unit of electric field is newtons per coulomb. The unit of force is, of course, newtons. Right? Because you are going to multiply by another coulomb here. Nasabtan? Okay? So that's the intuition building of the electric force. Okay? It's actually, whenever you do the experiment and to test whether there's an electric field, there's a charge, there are charges here. All you have to do is put a charge here. And if that moves, meaning that it experiences a force. And that force is due to the fact that there are electric field around. Okay? So, nasabtan. So, we will not go into the details of calculating electric force. Okay? If you know how to calculate the electric field at a given point, you can calculate the electric field at a given point by just multiplying the electric. Yeah, you can know how to calculate the electric force at any given point by just multiplying the electric field at that point, right? For example, katong gipa-calculate kamog line of charge sa ana, no? What is the electric field here? If there is no charge, you can only calculate electric field. But if I'm going to put a charge Q there, what would you get? You will now get an electric force. This will experience an electric force due to this one. And of course, this will experience an electric force due to this one. Okay? So, nasabtan.